अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
तो
मैं इंग्लिश में कह सकता हूँ?
हाँ कह दो, क्या कहना चाहते हो?
You know, so like with Wakfino, we have classes with you.
हैं?
You know how with Wakfino and we have classes with you, and
You are Wakfino Union?
yeah, you know, like the children who aren't Wakfino, can't they have classes with you as well?
Those who are not Wakfino,
Yeah,
they can have classes with me.
yeah.
मैं तो अभी Wakfino की क्लासें ले लूँ तो बड़ी बात है। हैं? तुम्हारी क्लास भी तो 1 साल बाद हो रही है. You are coming here after 1 year. Huh? No?
Yeah.
If I start taking classes of other non-Wakfinos, then how can I manage it? It's difficult. Anyway, Ijtima is one of the place where all Wakfino others can gather together and then listen to my speech, my address. ठीक है?